Tanduk. Tanduk, is that right?
Yeah. In Siruma.
Siruma, okay. Nice little lake. Or is it river? Is this a lake?
A lake.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Is that church being built, or has it just been renovated?
It's currently being built.
Yeah, we're at the side of this church, and it's I've just been told it's quite new. It's just been, well, it's in the process of being finished, obviously. And this is Edward's province. This is where his mum and dad come from, and this is where his aunties come from. And looks like they're having a bit of a practice over there, the kids, look. It's absolutely beautiful here. Air's so fresh, everything's just brilliant. I love it. Right, it's now morning, and as you can see from the previous footage, I've gone through the deepest jungles to get here. And unfortunately, because of the roads, the big potholes and the slow going, it took forever to get here. But my God, was it worth it? I mean, this is brilliant. The caribou's just brought this load of grain in on like some kind of sledge thing, as you can see there, look. I'll show you in a minute, a bit closer. But I slept outside in this like Nipa hut thing, and it was absolutely fantastic. My alarm clock went off absolutely spot on time, which, as you know, in these places is the roosters. There was a point where I wished I had a gun, but we'll not go into that one. So this is where I've stayed overnight, and it's brilliant here. And I'll just show you the hut where I stayed. I slept. So this is the Nipa hut thing I slept in. I'm not bothered showing you inside, but it was really cool. I don't mean cool as in great. Well, it was great, but it was quite cool. So didn't need a fan or anything. But how cool is this? Really great. So a bit later on, when I've finished my coffee and what have you, we're going to make our way down to the beach, and I'm going to stay in a hotel, I think, today, and then back to Napa tomorrow. So that's brilliant. So we'll see you in a mo. Bye for now. Now, you may have heard on a few other videos that I've gone on about king cobras, because I've got this thing about king cobras. I'd love to see one. Obviously not face to face, but I'd love to see one. And in conversation, don't know if it was last night or this morning, but somebody in the family told me that they've seen loads of king cobras, mostly on the roads. Crossing the roads in front of them, which I think is just amazing. So you can imagine walking across somewhere like this, can't you, and coming face to face with a king cobra. I mean, it would be amazing, but heart-stopping moment, I guess. But I mean, look at this. Fancy waking up to this in the morning. Every morning. This and more. Not just this, but I mean, this is everywhere you go around here. There's a caribou over there, I hope you can see it. Everywhere you go is just like this. if you can remember me talking about Maize Province, and that was similar. Maize Province from here is about 2 hours, 3 hours. Sorry, I keep forgetting about the potholes. They're building a new road, and it's supposed to be finished by 2016. I very much doubt it, but that's the time scale anyway. And when that road's built, it'll knock, or at least an hour and a half off the journey. So it'll halve the time to get here, which will be from Napa, I mean, can you hear that? Chickens. I don't even know what that is, whether it's not locusts. Crickets, that's it, yeah. It's just fantastic.